Have a 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan here, just prepping the back glass for install. I just cleaned the back glass, popped the cap off the wiper blade here, moved the wiper into that position to get it out of the way. Then I'm applying dry shrink prep to the back window. You can use whatever you want, your soap, your bounce, dryer sheet, whatever it is that you use. After this dries for a few minutes, we'll go ahead and start the shrink. Okay, now I'm getting the pre-cut back window. We're going to go ahead and apply it to the back window. Just going to line it up. Start with my H pattern to tack it down. And then I'll go ahead and get the heat gun and I'll start shrinking out the fingers in quarter sections. Start with the top corner first on one side. And then I just work section by section until the whole thing's shrunk. Okay, I'm just finishing up the shrink here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install the back glass. Just speed everything up for you guys so it's not so boring.